Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on visual BACnet monitoring. This is a great way to improve your systems over time using data to track progress and maintain system health. We'll start here on the main monitoring dashboard page. Here we can see the sites that I've created, as well as any sites shared with me on this tab. This icon represents a site, and here is an overview of the health of the entire site. If you click here, you can see the nodes and trends at each level for the network health. To create a new site, you can go back and click the Add New button. Then choose which type you would like. Remember that you must have a monitoring node at the lowest level in order to upload files. And in order to activate a site, please contact Optical Networks. After you've created a site, there are two ways to upload data. The capture tool is an automatic way to capture and upload data, and more details can be found here in the Tools tab. If you wish to manually upload data, you can go back to the node, scroll down, and click on Upload Files. Also, you can click on View for any file to enter the troubleshooting view of that file. Thanks for watching. We hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach us at the support chat, email, or phone. Also, make sure to check out more of our videos on Visual BACnet.
Thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like to see more from Optical Networks, you can do so by clicking here, or subscribing up here. Thanks very much.